Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is pretty much very similar to what I've done. So I'm starting off with a face mask that I got for Easter. I'm just going to apply that because my skin's been kind of rough lately. I have not been taking the best care of myself because I've been so busy with a play production and graduation and school and work and yeah, yeah, all that's over now. I haven't had time to edit this video, so it's like a month old. So anyway, I applied the mask and I'm letting it sit for 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows while that is setting. So I brushed out my eyebrows and I'm using this Revolution eyebrow pomade. I really love this stuff. It stays on all day. I actually have a hard time getting it off at night because it stays on so well. It's easy to use. I just use an angled brush and I just shape my eyebrow with it. Yeah. So now I'm going in, I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation, I'm going to take my Pro Concealer, and I'm also going to take this Glamouflage from Hard Candy Concealer. I'm going to mix all three of this together because none of the three match my skin tone. So I mixed them to make a shade that was close enough to my skin tone. It wasn't still bright, but I did my best with it, with what I had. And I'm just going to carve out my eyebrows. And later on I'm going to use the rest of it on my face as my foundation. So now I'm just going to blend that out. And now I'm taking a little bit of it and I'm just going to put it on my eye and blend it out. So now I'm taking my James Charles palette and I am going to do my eyes. So I'm going in with kind of a light color, well not really light, but more of a more neutral color, and just defining my crease with that. And then I'm going in with a purple on the outer half of my lid. And I'm kind of blending it with that crease color and blending it out. And there's the other eye. So now I'm going with my ColourPop Cosmetics Fair 00 concealer. It's basically just a white concealer. I'm going to carve out the inner half of my eyelid for a cut crease. There's the other eye. So now I'm taking a light blue from the James Charles palette and I'm just going to pack that in on over the white concealer. And I kind of brought it out a little bit onto the top part of the lid, right where at the crease, just so it stood out. And now I'm just going to take that purple that I used earlier and blend it with the blue. So now I'm going to do my eyeliner off camera. I used these two eyeliners, and then I went in with my The Professional primer, and I just put that on my face. So now I'm going in with my Becca Under Eye Brightener. I actually got all these mid-April and filmed this tutorial pretty soon after I got it, but because I have been so busy I have not had time to edit it. There is a video up on my Instagram, however, that I did edit and get up pretty soon after I got these. So after I applied that under my eyes, I'm just going to blend that out. And then I'm taking that same foundation and concealer mixture from earlier, and I'm just putting that on my face. And I'm going to blend that out. And it was pretty close to my skin tone, but my skin tone is really weird. I'll get to that in a minute. So I'm using my Airspun powder, and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes, and then I will use a brush to wipe it away after it sets for a few minutes. Yeah. And then I just took that purple and went under my eye. And now I'm taking my bronzer from ColourPop Cosmetics, and I'm just going to apply that. I went ahead and did it a little bit before I showed it on camera, because it takes a little while using this bronzer. But anyway, back to the foundation story. Well, maybe. I'm using my Laura Geller baked blush, and then I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild Glow Palette. I'm just going to highlight my brow bone, my inner corner, and my cheeks. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to tell you my foundation issue. It doesn't match entirely. My skin tone is really weird. Some like pink undertone foundations match my skin, some yellow undertones match it. I'm not sure what's going on. I'm having trouble finding a good foundation that matches. So I'll keep you updated on that. So now I'm going to do my lashes and mascara off camera. And now I'm going in with a ColourPop lipstick to finish off the look. So here's the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you next time. Bye!